It's a quiet, convincing voice, isn't it? The one that tells you to be careful, to wait, to think it over just one more time. This voice sounds like wisdom, like prudence, and sometimes it is. But very often, fear disguises itself as caution, wrapping itself in the respectable cloak of practicality. There is profound wisdom in genuine caution. It keeps us safe. But a life led by fear is different. It doesn't just keep us safe, it keeps us small. Fear-led living slowly, almost imperceptibly, reduces our inner freedom, shrinking our world one what if at a time. Think of that project at work you didn't volunteer for, afraid of failure, or a heartfelt conversation you avoided in a relationship, fearing vulnerability. Maybe it was a solo trip you dreamed of but never booked, held back by the fear of the unknown. In each case, caution might have whispered advice, but fear made the final decision. It builds invisible fences around our potential, convincing us we are safer inside. But true, expansive living happens when we dare to test those boundaries. Freedom grows where fear loses its leadership. So how do we reclaim that leadership? We can start with a simple, gentle framework. First, we notice. When that feeling of hesitation arises, pause. Where do you feel it in your body? A tightness in your chest, a knot in your stomach. Just become aware of the physical sensation without judgment. Second, we name it. Ask yourself, is this caution, based on real data and past experience, guiding me toward a wiser path? Or is this fear, telling a story of a future that hasn't happened, rooted in anxiety? Giving it a name separates the feeling from your identity. It's not that you're afraid, it's that you are feared. And third, we nudge. You don't need a heroic leap, just a small, intentional step forward, a gentle nudge against the fence fear has built. Send the email. Say the first vulnerable sentence. Research the first flight. This small act of courage tells fear that while its voice is heard, it is no longer in charge. So take a quiet moment today. Notice one decision that fear has been controlling in your life. Just one. What would a gentle nudge look like for you? What small step could you take, not to banish fear, but to walk alongside it toward a little more freedom? Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.